All right, happy Sunday, YouTube. Happy Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. So I decided to get out and do me some fishing today. It's cold out here in Dallas. The weather is dropping. I think it's going to get really, really cold this upcoming week. So first of all, I hope y'all having a great day. Hope y'all had a great weekend and y'all enjoying the day. Football Sunday. My Cowboys didn't make it in, but I'll probably get to watch the game tonight. So I decided to come out to, I think this is called Hubbard Bay, Marina. I'll give you a better view here in a minute. But you can fish an indoor barge, and you can fish on the outside of it too. Pretty cold out here, 30-something degrees. I think they said feel like it's in 20. So I brought some heaters. I'm gonna show you guys all that. I'm gonna set up, and I'm gonna see what we can catch. So let's get it going, you guys. Let's stop the intro. Let's get going. So let's see. You gotta figure this out. So I should have cleaned that out. All right, so I got my rods. I'm not gonna take much with me. I got some heaters here. I'm taking that for sure. Let's see if this will fit in there. Got one in there. I might come back and get that other one. Might not need both of them. Might not need both of them, but you know, I'll come back out if I need them. All right, this will go with me. And I don't know where my extension. What rod is this? Oh, a bait caster. Okay. All right. And we got 3 rods. Hopefully they'll let me fish with 3 rods. I don't even know. Catfish rods. 2. Ultralight. And my net. Okay. All right. So hopefully I can take all this down without making a mess. Ooh, it's cold. I'm finna try, man. It got a little hawk going on, don't it? Oh man, you gotta have that, huh? Ooh wee. How did you go in first, brother? What you going for, crappies today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I see that little ultralight pole there.
Yes, sir.
I said, you must be trying to get them crappies. Oh, I appreciate it, man. I'm gonna get crappies, then I'm gonna try for a couple catfish.
There you go.
See what happens. Yeah. They are? Okay, how you doing today? Good. Can I have 3 poles?
Pardon?
Can you have 3 poles out here? 3?
Yeah, you can.
I can? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. What's the like some real cheese sandwich going on back there?
They got something. They got something good going, don't they?
Cold like this and warm.
Just a fishing pass and...
Yeah.
Boy, this is like Starbucks now. Thank you, appreciate you.
Would you like a cup of coffee or anything like that?
Nah, not right now. I'm gonna go and get settled in, but I might come back later and get a burger or something.
You want your receipt or no?
Nah, I'm good. Okay.
Do you want me to get the doors for you?
Yeah, cause I got my hand full. If you don't mind, I appreciate it. Yeah, have it been active today for y'all? It's kind of sun.
I've been here for only an hour, but
Oh, okay.
the other, like you said, it's been kind of off and on.
Yeah, but it's kind of Sunday, and then it's that football weekend, so the
Yeah.
playoffs. So, all right, well, have a good one, Kay. Thank you so much. All right. going to set 2 out here, and I'm fishing the indoors. You clean it, you must have got you some, huh?
3-man limit.
Really?
White bass.
Out there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I've been cleaning this for about an hour now.
Oh, that's that rough part of it. Oh, they nice, man. 3-man limit, huh?
Yeah, we got like 70 some odd.
Dang.
18-pound catfish and a few crappie.
Y'all getting them deep water?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's where they at, yeah. All right. It's always good to hear somebody catch it. Yeah. Especially windy as it is.
It's just so dang cold.
Yeah, that weather's dropping. It's gonna be tougher next week. Ooh, dang. All right, these will go outdoors. Oh, they need to fix that. Do you throw the you throw the guts right there?
Sorry?
Do you throw the guts in? Okay. All right. Cause them catfish, that'll work right there. That'll work.
Yeah, there's about a 70.
Oh yeah. Something big will come through. Man, oh yeah, man. I go out there, man, and when I catch those limits, it's fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's fun. But when you get to that cleaning part, that's that rough part. All right. They drop down on the bottom. Make sure this thing is loose. I don't want my pogo flying in the water. There we go. There go one right there. All right, you guys fishing with hot dogs. Yeah. You see, you throw them carcasses in, so that'll bring them catfish in and everything else. Might have some luck today. Might have some luck today, you guys. All right. Put that right here, just in case. All right, so I'm gonna leave that out here. If you guys can see, you're blowing smoke in here. It's cold as heck in here. But I got the. Yes, indeed. Let's see something. I don't think that plug's gonna work. got a JVC heater. We're gonna plug this up. See if we can get some heat going on. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Yes indeed. Yes indeed. Alright, I'm gonna fish this little area right here. Alright, YouTube, man, my man them out here, they went out and got them a 3-man limit. And they doing it the right way, you guys. Well, are y'all from Dallas or y'all came from down that way? Fort Worth? Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Y'all made a little drive in. Yeah, they good, man. Y'all doing good, man. Good to hear, man. Yes, sir. I wasn't expecting all this when I came out here. Yeah, y'all got what, 75 sand bass and what?
Something like that, yeah. The big catfish and then a big, he caught a big hybrid, man.
Big hybrid?
Probably like a 5-6 pound hybrid, man.
What was y'all using?
Artificial.
Artificial?
Yeah, dead sticking it.
Dang. Yeah, that's not good. I need to get me one of those. Yeah, and what do we just plug into? Oh, it's
Yeah, it goes on the gas station.
Yeah, gas, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, he's a chef. He's a cook.
Yeah, you got it going on here. Oh, I thought that was like a heater or something. Yeah. Man, they got it going on. Yeah. I'm gonna have to step it up. Now my YouTube followers gonna tell me, man, you know what? Man, you gotta step it up, EJ. Yeah, I look at I said he got it going on over there. Everybody. Yeah, you can cook out there, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's your heater, right? Yeah. Yeah. I thought I seen oh yeah, okay. Man, yeah, he hooked him up, man. He hooked him up.
Did you clean them too? You gag and clean them, boy.
A lot of guys won't clean them no more. Yeah, yeah.
Mixed, so I just put crappie, catfish, and all the sand bass and hybrid.
They're mixed in.
Yeah.
Put my hands in.
All right, YouTube, let me show you guys something here. This is the aftermath, man. 3 of them, 3 bats.
Should I say they're about 8 pounds, 5, 6,
Cool.
7 pounds each?
Oh yeah, y'all got some meat, man. Y'all got some serious meat.
We went on a trip.
And this is the man right here. Let me see you. So you guys want a guide to Walkeny?
To walking the guide service, Adam Pugh. Let's go.
Adam Pugh. Check him out. Check him out. You gonna make me come down there, and I'm a crappie fisherman. You gonna make me come and sandbag? I don't really sandbag, but that look good.
My wife and I, I found that Blackstone griddle. Last night, actually, from 4 days ago.
Right.
Sand bass out here, I'm blacking them on the griddle.
Good as heck, huh? All of my friends, all of my friends that tell me that they eat them, they tell me the same thing. They say, EJ, just get that red out of it. Yeah, get that red out, man. He said, I'm as good as crappies. So I might have to give it a try one day. I edited all that for you. Ooh, I thought, ooh, man. I had a little nibble just then. Yeah, that joker hit that joker. Yeah, he tapped that joker. You felt it too?
I let it down a little bit, and I see you took that rock.
Yeah. Yeah. Boy, it look cold out there. All right, yeah, man. I appreciate it, man. Let's give it a try. So this is the sand bass, huh?
Yep.
All right. All right, guys. All right, YouTube, man, I'm finna try a sand bass. So this gentleman here just gave me a sand bass sandwich. As you can see.
Fresh caught.
Yeah, fresh caught. Like literally. Yep. And this gentleman is a catering.
Chef Baxter McDonald. Don't look me up.
Yes, sir. So let's give it a try. Let's see what we got here. And I know it's gonna be good. It smells good. Let's give it a try. Man, you gotta taste this, man. You gotta taste it, man. I didn't think sand bass would taste like. So I have tried sand bass one time. I tried to cook it. And people would tell me to cut that red line out, you know. And I did something wrong, you know. And I would never eat it again, but I lied, you guys. I'll eat a sand bass again. So next time I catch one, it's going with me. That's good, man. I appreciate you guys. That is good. They do not taste like a sand bass to me.
I should know the red one.
You did? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that did not taste like a sand bass. Man, that is good, man. Yeah, yeah. Man. Have you ate a sandbag before? You have? Okay. You do? Okay. I never ate one. I mean, I tried cooking one. But
all you gotta do, if you don't want that vein in there, that vein on the bottom, that little bit on the meat. Cut it out.
Yep. Yeah, one of my buddies told me, cut that red meat out. He told me what he would do it was, he said hand would get cold, but he would put in like a lot of ice, a little salt on it, and scrub it right. To get all that blood taste, that bloodline, whatever they call it, out. And he said when he get finished, that meat be a white pure meat, just like a cat or like a crappie. Oh wow! And he said when you cook it,
them stripers, they cook really good.
They do.
Put it in that cold salt water, pull that bloodline out.
Yep, that's what he told me. Yep, yep. All right, y'all take it. Hey, it was nice meeting y'all, man. Y'all take it easy. Enjoy yourself. Have a safe trip back to Fort Worth, to Washington. Man, yeah, 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 yeah. Ain't got too bad of a drive. Yeah, yeah. And y'all going back with a lot of meat. That what counts. That what counts. Yeah. That's impressive. That's impressive to catch that though, man, because the weather dropped overnight. You know, no fish know that. You know that they'll shut down, man. You know, you can't find them. But that was impressive for y'all to go and get those, because once that weather changed, man, it's hard to find them sometimes. Yeah. It started raining?
Pretty quick. Yeah, I was gonna. If we didn't get on that last little bit, I was gonna reel up and go basically Bass Pro on this way, but we didn't. We
just kind of stayed, yeah?
Yeah, it was like a little 5-minute little lull, and then
you found them, yeah.
How deep were they?
About 30.
They were deep, man. Dang. Hey, remember what you just said that too. You said if it start raining, you know what I mean? I may come out here one day just to get some footage. I bet they catch them in here too. Oh yeah, it's a good one too, ain't it? That's a good one now. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a keeper. He's gonna be right there. Yeah, he's gonna be right there. They might start up. Uh-huh. But yeah. Or they tapping, or they hitting it good?
Oh,
they hitting it good? Okay. If I catch them, I will, yeah. If I can catch like something like you, if I can catch about 5, I will, yeah. If I catch 1 or 2, nah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're in a good spot. Yeah, you're in a good spot, man. Yeah, I'm finna throw on me. Oh, I just had a bite. God dog it. I felt it. Huh? You know, you just feel that little grab. Real subtle. Yep. I felt it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
That's one of the speckled crappie.
Yeah. That's a black. Yeah, that's a black crappie. They call black crappies. Yeah. So the ones with the stripes, those white crappies. Those ones with the speckle, they black crappies. Yeah. All right. I'm finna put that little. I'm finna put I got what you got. I was trying that. Yeah. Look, I knew it got me. I had look. Nah, I had that gut minnow. It's kind of like a fake minnow. It's gone. That's why I felt it. Yeah. That. Now I just want to see if I can get a couple of. See what I'm saying? Well, you know what? Now I might be going to switch over to that blue ice. Oh, I got a bite. Got a bite, you guys. Catfish #1. There we go. He been swimming off like crazy. He probably. It's a big boy too right here.
What you got on there? Ooh, that's a good one now. It's strong.
I know.
2-3 pounds.
I think he might be bigger than that.
Bigger than that, right?
Yeah. Ooh, he don't. Yeah, I got a net. Ooh. Ooh. A big old. What's that? A drum? Or a carp?
Yeah, but it's one of them. God dang, that thing huge.
I was like, no, that's bigger than that.
Big ass.
I think it's a buffalo, right? Or I'm not sure what they. I don't know these two things too
good.
good.
But the ribs will taste just like a buffalo, though.
Yeah, I'm taking it in there. Come on, I'm gonna weigh it.
Right.
All right, first I appreciate it, brother. First fish.
About 20 pounds.
Yeah. First fish of the day.
All right.
I looked over that pole a bit though.
Look at that thing there.
Yeah, that's a big boy there. I'm gonna make sure my battery's still going.
Yeah, she full of eggs.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what you fishing with?
Hot. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, that's a big boy here. Oh, lady. I think I got my scale here. Yep, got my scale. I'm gonna weigh it, you guys, just to see what I'm looking at here. This joke was slimy too. Yeah, I see it here. Yeah, I see that. All right, guys, I want y'all to tell me what kind of fish that is. You can see it there. The scale is on. Actually, yeah, like a grass carp or something. Let me actually get that hook out if I start messing with it. I'm gonna take this hook out. I don't want that. I don't need no mistakes. And you get the flopping. I'm down. Looking that good too. There you go. This joker is slimy, man.
Yeah.
I hate.
And you know what? Like this deal across that slime.
Yeah.
Put that scent on it too.
All right.
Like a lot of big crappie like that. Oh, missed it.
You feeling it? All right, guys. Let me see how much this weigh. 0. We looking at 11 pounds, 12 pounds, guys. 12 pounds, if y'all can see. We're looking at 12 pounds. As you can see, it's heavy too. And there we go. So y'all tell me what that is. Full of eggs. So you get to go back. I ain't gonna keep it away. I think it's a grass carp or something. Got a red tail. Can you do me a favor, bro? Can you get a camera toward me while I'm holding it? Yeah. You know. That's kind of like this kind of like a trophy fish for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's already going. You ain't got to just angle it toward me. All right, guys. Here we go. There we go. This baby heavy.
There you go.
That's it. I don't want. It's slimy as heck.
It blinked off.
It's slimy as heck, you guys. So this is it right here. I'm gonna throw it back.
There you go. Got slime?
Look, I hate telling this. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. There you go.
Yeah, slime.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, look at that. See that tail, the red at the bottom of the tail? She's fanning the neck.
Hitting that bed, ain't it? Yup. Yep. And it's raining out here, so it's super cold. Got him on a hot dog, or got her on a hot dog. There you go. Very, very pretty fish. Very pretty fish. Right out here. And we're gonna let her back. I don't want to lose my my weight, my scale. There we go. She gets to go back. And she is slimy as heck. All right, took off. Soon as hit the water. You got him, huh? You did? You felt it. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. You felt that joker. That's the one you want right there. Yeah, that's the one you want. You ain't gotta measure. Mm-hmm. That's what.
Yeah, you gotta measure.
Nah, you know.
That's probably. The big enough to make them little ran.
Them joker might have moved around, and them big ones might be about to eat before it get, you know what I mean? Before that weather change. Yeah, but see, yeah, I'm like, what's going on here? Ooh, got me one.
He gone.
That's crappie. He took off like he was a sandbag. You saw that? Come flying to the top of the water. There's a keeper too.
That must mean they moving that way.
Yeah. You see how he come flying to the top? It was like a sandbag. Yeah, I'm on. Yeah, I'm like, what? Yeah, I'm like, where are you going? On the board, folks. I'm on the board. Took me a while. And it's the blue ice. It's what the gentleman been catching here on all day long. I switched over that blue ice and finally got me one. And I know the depth too now. Right. I got that depth now. All right, let me get this out of here. I'm trying to see if I can get anything out here on this. I'm gonna measure though. I'm gonna use your. I don't think I brought my measure. I'm gonna use your thing here. Oh, that's 10. I know that's 10. Yeah, I know this. Yep, I know it's 10. Oh, first one today, you guys. First one today. Let's get right back in there. It tipped that joker with a piece of worm, guys. Believe it or not. Tipped it with a little red worm. Okay. YouTube, it's cold out here, you guys. That weather's dropping. Rain is wet. But we catching fish. I'm coming to get my crappie nibbles. Got my first crappie, so we're gonna see if we can get some more crappies, you guys. The other gentleman's catching a few crappies. Not nothing to brag about, but he got a couple keepers and a couple small ones. So I'm gonna see my crappie bites if I can catch me some. Let me get them and get back in there. So I think I got some. I'll bring this here. I'll bring that. I think that's all I need. Yeah, that's all I need. Okay. It's ugly out here in Dallas. Ugly and cold. And this is where I'm at, you guys. Harbor Bay Marina store. That lake, that water's rough. On that lake. Man. Y'all about to give it a try. See you can catch something. You might catch something, man. They might bite. I'm gonna slide right between y'all. God dang. Man, it's cold out there, man. It's cold out there, man. Yeah. That lady told me, I didn't know, she said some up the front there's some bad storm will be coming in. I know it's getting colder. The temp can still be the same. I know it's getting colder because my body getting cold. Yeah. It wasn't cold like when we earlier. I was yeah, mine too. And I was comfortable earlier. I mean, yeah, we were blowing smoke, but I wasn't cold, but I'm starting to feel it now. Yeah. I'm starting to feel it a little bit. Ooh, I just missed one. No. God dang. Yeah, I felt them when he pulled down on it. God dog it. When he pulled down on it. God dog it. Let me see if I can go back and get him. Dang. I ain't gonna even change that depth. I'm gonna pull that joke up just like you. Let me pull it. I felt it. Yep. Look at that. When they pull it down. God dog. You got your one. That's a big one now. Let me see. Still the same color? Oh, you switch up to the green, huh?
Yeah.
Not the same color? Or did you switch it up?
Yeah. Ooh, that's a big clock.
But that might be what you, why did you do? You switch that up then? Yes, oh, that's a good one right there. Yes, indeed.
Guess what? I had to sit out front. I just picked the reel up.
Oh, he
on there.
Really? You were messing with your stuff, huh? You were messing with your stuff, right?
Yeah.
And you just picked them up?
Yeah. It's cold.
He's gonna be 20 then, probably, or close to it. I feel like it anyway. Yeah, they just shut it down. Yeah, not even a bite. Yeah, not even a bite. Yeah, I'm gonna head out. Oh, I got one. Look. What's a little and we were just talking about that. Yeah. Man, you were just talking about that. All right, let me see. I'm gonna put that on the reel. I got a shad, you guys. Nice shad. I'm gonna cut it up. Put it on my catfish rod. Hang around for a little. I was just about to tell somebody to get out of here. All right, YouTube, I'm done. I done packed up, I'm loaded up, and I'm about to get out of here. I did this for you guys. It's about 5 o'clock, so it's starting to kind of get that evening look. This is a great location if you guys looking to fish indoors. Super cold today. It actually reminded me why I don't fish in the winter time, but the weather's dropping big time. Didn't have any luck. I got one crappie. The other gentleman, I think he got 4. I got that huge carp. And that was it. But I had a good time interacting with other fishermen and enjoying myself. But it's super cold, man. Y'all have a great Sunday. Enjoy the football game. Let's get this work week going. And I'm gonna get on out of here. This area is called Harbor. It's cold as heck. It's called Harbor Bay Marina. And this is the information here, if you can see it. Screenshot it. So it's a marina. And you can fish here. It's got a store and everything in there. So great place to come out here in Rockwall. I got a long drive. I got to go almost over to the Plano, Fort North Dallas. And I'm going to the house and relax. So y'all have a blessed one. Peace.